Warning: service must be performed by a qualified technician familiar with oil heating systems. Service by an unqualified person can result in hazards to that person, others, and/or property. See our safety video for additional information. In this quick video, we're going to take a look at the Beckett Electrode Spacing Kit, a premium set designed to simplify and make burner electrode settings simpler and more precise. This set includes 6 gauges designed to help technicians adjust burner electrodes to meet exact manufacturer specifications, ensuring the best light-off characteristics for reliable burner performance. The electrode tip gauges flip over the nozzle or nozzle adapter, as shown in the image. The Beckett Z gauge also ensures the nozzle line assembly is positioned precisely with an F head. First, we have the Beckett Z gauge. This gauge is used for Beckett burner models AF, AFG, SR, SF, and AF2 with the FBX Air Tube combination. The orange Z sets the electrodes 5/16 inch above the nozzle, 1/16 inch in front, and provides a 5/32 inch gap, key for those specific burner models. Next is the Beckett B gauge. This one's used for burner model AFG with an L2 retention head. The B gauge ensures accurate electrode positioning for these specific heads, helping to optimize performance. Moving on to the Beckett G gauge. This is for burner models RF, NX, AF2 with the HLX6, HLX9, AF2-6, and AF2-9 retention heads. With the G gauge, you can be confident that you're setting the electrodes for these models with precision, enhancing combustion efficiency. The P gauge is designed for use with Carlin burner models 99 FRD, 99 CRD, 100 CRD, 101 CRD, 102 CRD, and EZ66. It ensures the correct electrode distance for optimal burner performance and easy serviceability. Next is the Y gauge. This one is used for Carlin burner models EZ1, EZ2, EZ3, LF, and Select. The Y gauge helps you achieve accurate electrode settings. It's a great tool for keeping service work quick, consistent, and precise. The R gauge is designed for Riello burner models F3, BF3, F5, BF5, and R35. The R gauge makes it easy to set the electrodes on these Riello burners, helping ensure stable ignition and consistent performance. So what makes the Beckett T100-210 nozzle assembly setting gauge kit stand out? For starters, it's incredibly easy to use and offers precision accuracy for every job. With multiple gauges in one convenient kit, you save time and labor, ensuring each setting is done correctly the first time. Plus, it even comes with a handy reference toolbox sticker to keep everything organized. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to visit our website at www.beckettcorp.com